Hello everyone. The first question which must be coming in your mind is what is load flow? See, it is the most important and essential approach to investigating problems in power system operation and planning. Second is the mathematical model of load flow problem is a non-linear algebraic equation system without differential equations. Now another thing is what are our objectives of the project? See, the overall aim of the whole project is to develop a toolbox that allow user to solve power flow problem. However, the other objective that needed to complete are: first, to study the performance of transmission lines, transformer and generator at steady state condition. Second is to obtain the simulation of power flow analysis by MATLAB. Third, to build a toolbox for power flow analysis for education and training purpose.